All right, here in AHK Script Maker, we're going to walk through showing you how to control if your files show up here at all and how many, and the search. So I'm going to go over here under options to preferences. I'm going to increase this to, let's say, 25. I think even though my DPI is up, I'll still be able to see all those. Let me move this up a little bit here. So you can control how many are shown here. I can always hit more and search. And I can enable fuzzy matching. That might even find something. It's like an ordered list of the characters. So that great way to be able to see what's in here. I can also, if I'm in an active file, if I hit Control-Shift-C, this is going to copy the path to this active file, assuming it's been saved. I, of course, have the standard new open. If you hit new, it will default to the bitness and version that you have set by your default for AutoHotkey. So those are all the options under the file menu. Actually, so let me show here. If we go open another file, I can come in here and I even have a file rename and a delete file. So this literally would delete this file. It should warn me. Yeah, are you sure you want to delete it? I don't have to go navigate to it. I'm gonna hit no. I don't have to go navigate to it. So be wary of that. The rename also is very cool. It will close the file, rename it, and reopen it for you. But it allows you to rename a file that you're actually working in, which is, I think, is really handy. So again, that's not something you see in most editors, but AHK Script Maker has that. Cheers.